we'd go in and say, hey, this is the perfect time to add in this novelty, this cool feature that people will post about. What's going on in the first one is the state within is transitioning, of course. You can see the transition of the text, but the actual container itself isn't morphing with the shape of the content. So this is something that can be seen in a lot of apps. Most apps would mitigate this by making the button full width, so it doesn't have to manage the actual content. Other apps just don't do it at all. They just like skip the transition. So stuff like this is where a design engineer would see a spec. They'd see, hey, we have 3 different states of like a button. Say you have a loading state, in progress, say a complete state. How can we make this tiny interaction something that people can remember? This is where someone like me would be able to spot that. We'd go in and say, hey, this is the perfect time to add in this novelty, this cool feature that people will post about. They'll remember that app for this sort of stuff. And you can see this type of stuff in the best apps on the market, the ones that you use every single day. And that type of taste, that type of knowing when to add is something that design engineers specialize in.